Hey guys, this is Monique, Miss Mo to You. Thank you so much for joining me on today. I am going to be having a Chipotle mukbang. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share this video. Also turn on post notifications so you can be notified the next time I drop a video. When you turn on post notifications, you hit the bell symbol and you will see it'll either muted or unmuted. So thank you so much for joining me on today. I am going to say grace and get it in. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food I'm about to receive. May give nourishment, strength to my body. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Haven't had Chipotle. Haven't did a Chipotle mukbang in a while. I have some chips on deck with some queso cheese, and also I have a brisket and chicken bowl with everything in it with the exception of guacamole and sour cream. And I am going to get it in. I think I want to heat my food up a little bit more. Okay, I am going to. So I like their brisket mixed with chicken. I'm so hungry too. Ooh, got a kick to it. I also have a Starbucks. It's supposed to be a mango dragon fruit, guys. They didn't have no more dragon fruit. And of course they waited until I got up to the window to tell me they ain't had no more dragon fruit. How you guys been? Ooh, that's a little spicy. I have been extremely busy. Busy. Look at that cheese. I have been taking some classes. I'll tell y'all what in once I'm finished. That was nothing but fat. I'm so hungry. It's almost Christmas, guys. It is 66 degrees here. Today is Friday, the 17th, and it's 66 degrees in December. They said this is the warmest December ever on record here. Let me know in the comments what your weather's been like, cause it'll be cold, and then we'll get like, I know early in the week it was in the 70s. Last week was in the 60s and 70s. This is weird. Weird. Mm. These are salty. Ooh. Oh my. Look at this. I'm gonna see if you can see the salt in here. See the salt? You can see the salt on these chips. Ooh. Mm. I had to clean out my father's apartment. I had to order him new furniture. So I have been busy and in class. I had to go to his house earlier. Then I had to leave abruptly because the Comcast people came here at 12 o'clock and they wasn't supposed to be here until 1, between 1 and 3. So I had to abruptly stop doing what I was doing over there and drive home. I've been having issues with my internet. And can't have issues with the internet because that stops me from uploading. Mm. I sure wish that had dragon fruit in it. Mm. My daughter's doing Vlogmas on her channel. I'll leave her link down in the description box below. This corn is super spicy today. Something in here is super spicy. I hope you guys are doing well and navigating through this continued pandemic. It seems like every time we almost out of it, we get hit with something else. As I said, a new variant. And I don't eat as much as I used to, guys. I'm so hungry, y'all, but this is actually my first time eating today. I gotta braid my hair back up. This is all mine. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Take some of this salt off of here. Oh, pop them in the iron. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. Woo! Have you guys finished your Christmas shopping? Can you believe we are literally 1 week away from Christmas? 1 week. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Normally when I buy a Chipotle bowl, I can eat off of it twice. Normally I can. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. My daughter did extremely well in the first quarter. She made the principal's honor roll. She had a 4.0625 GPA. So that's exciting. I think her lifetime GPA right now is a 4.0. Or as they called it, cumulative. Mm. because she made it 4.0 all through last year. Her 8th grade year. Ooh. Woo. Now, I don't know if my stomach's strong, but I swear I get full fast. I get so full so fast nowadays. I heard that comes with age, guys. I don't know how true that is, but I'm definitely going to look it up because I used to can't eat. Even when I ain't doing the video and I be eating food, I get full fast. I think I had for lunch a hamburger and some waffle fries. And I ain't even have a lot of waffle fries. I was full. Oh, excuse me. It feels like I need to make a big burp, but it's coming out in small ones. And normally when I turn the camera off, the burp comes out like really loud. It'd be so crazy. Nothing but fat. Alright, Chipotle. I don't be wanting a lot of fat now. I'm supposed to have brisket, not fat. I had a lot of fat in this bowl. Because I'm paying for brisket. Like, even when I fix red meat, which is rarely, I fix it very rarely. Like a roast or something, I trim the fat off of it. Especially if it's fatty. I cannot believe I'm full. So if anybody know if your stomach shrink as you get older, leave me a comment down below. I think that's a true statement, but I need to clarify, to confirm. I need to clarify and confirm, because I swear some days I don't even have an appetite. Which is weird. People used to look at me and be like, oh my God, girl, you make me gain weight just by watching you eat. I used to eat a lot. I remember at my job one time, one of my supervisors, every time he walked past my desk, I was eating something. He was like, oh my goodness. He said, you always eating and don't gain no weight. I said, well, I have high metabolism, but when I tell you I don't eat like that no more, so I am going to stop right there, because the worst thing I can do is eat and then my stomach hurt. That's miserable. Look at that. It says, see if you can see that. What did that say? Right here. Mango dragon fruit lemonade. With no dragon fruit. Alright, Starbucks, get it together now. Well, guys, it's been real. And I'm about to bring this video to a close because I am full and I am not going to stuff myself. So thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, I will see you guys later. And hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also share. Until next time, talk to you later. Bye.